developers. So experience over here is very amazing. Employees and candidates are very cooperative, and they trained very nicely by top technologies.
So far, our experience has been quite good. Students are sincere, hardworking.
બેઝિકલી અમે લાસ્ટ 2 વર્ષથી ટોપ્સ ટેકનોલોજીમાં આવીએ છીએ અને અહીંયાથી સારા કેન્ડિડેટો મેળવીએ છીએ.
Stops Technology is working amazing platform. Must visit and must attempt the job fair.
The overall experience today for the job fest at Top Technology was wonderful.
We had a great experience. Me and my team were here for the job fest.
It's a wonderful experience I have. I have already selected few of the students for my company's internship.
Like the interviews that were taken, I think everyone was pretty satisfied, including me. So it was a pretty good experience here.
एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छा गया. इसमें मुझको अलग अलग कंपनियां, सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनियां, प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनियां देखने को मिली, जहाँ पे मेरे 2-3 कंपनियों में अच्छे इंटरव्यू देने की मदद से मुझे उनका एक्सपीरियंस मिला.
I have completed digital marketing course from TOPS Technologies. Today there is a job fest and I appeared for an interview. Before interview I was very nervous, but after giving interview I feel more confident and positive.
This job fest experience of mine is very amazing. I really feel very great.
And my experience was overall pretty much good.